Raw family. Hope everyone is doing okay. Hope you had a great weekend. Okay, Mrs. O is going to try it again. Last week I only did 4. I didn't quite make the 5, but this week Mrs. O is going to make that 5. I mean, I'm going to push and get her done. But anyway, today is going to be a recipe for your holiday table. We're going to do red skin mashed potatoes. Yes, you know, you want that little redness in there for presentation. We're going to add a little Parmesan cheese, a little sour cream. You know, we're just going to knock it out the park for your holiday table. But with that being said, thanks to all of my new subscribers. Thanks to my Ride or Die subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Finally, I am climbing up there. I'm like, yay! So that ought to be motivation enough for me to get these 5 videos out. All right, with that being said, let's get this train on the track and let's do these red skin mashed potatoes. Here are the ingredients. I have some grated Parmesan cheese. I have fresh black pepper. I have a stick of unsalted butter. I have sea salt. I have some fresh chives. Of course, we have the sour cream. And last but not least, we have the red potatoes. Let me just explain about these red potatoes. I went to 3 stores and their red potatoes was horrible. So I finally had to go to Tom Thumb and buy a whole bag, which they were so small. So I'm going to show you. I have 8 in here. Now the ones that you see cut up, they were larger than the other ones, so I want them to cook evenly. So I had to cut those in half. But I have 8 red small potatoes, and we're going to add some, I'm going to say 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Then we're going to put it on, I'm going to say medium, and cook them until they're fork tender. Then after that, I will come back and show you what we will do next. Also forgot to mention, make sure you start your potatoes in cold water. That way it will help them cook evenly. All right, I wanted to show you this. These are the fresh chives right here. And I have about 4 of them here. And if you don't have kitchen shears, please invest in them. They're so handy and they help you cut like your chives, your parsley. I mean, it's really neat. And you remember, they're kitchen shears, so you don't use them for anything else except for in the kitchen. So I just hold these bunches together like this. Make sure you get your hand out the way, your fingers. And I'm just going to start cutting. Tell me how cool that is. I don't need a cutting board. Just take these kitchen shears and just cut away. And make sure you always rinse them off in hot water. And please do not use the same kitchen shears that you use for your vegetables if you want to trim fat off your meat. All right, I think you guys get the picture. You see how cool that is with the shears? And the fresh chives smell wonderful. All right. Just wanted to show you that little nugget. Please invest in some good kitchen shears. Mrs. O didn't do too bad. I still left 2 ingredients, you guys. But always, always look down in the description box below. Of course, we're going to have something to really smooth the potatoes. So we're using half and half, and we're going to use a little granulated garlic. Now I've gotten all the ingredients. All right, the potatoes are done. Now we are going to smash, smash, smash. You see that? And we're going to keep the cooktop on very, very low. So we're just going to smash it with the potato peeler. Sorry, the steam is kind of getting in the way. Let me smash these up real good, and I put the stick of butter in there. You want it in there while it's hot. All right, just keep smashing, smashing, smashing. Because we want them nice and creamy. Now I'm about to add the seasoning. All right. Be right back. And you're just gonna keep smashing. I added the seasoning, and you don't want them too loose, just in case you wanna add some of that turkey gravy on it. You know, where it'd be nice and thick, and then that gravy will hold on the potatoes. You see how smooth that is? And I also added the Parmesan cheese while it was hot. But we want them super, super smooth and thick. And you see the redness? It is so pretty. Maybe you can see some of the cheese. All right, I still got this cooking on a low. Now when you get ready to serve it, you can add some more half and half and just stir it and stick it in the microwave to reheat it. All right. Next, I will add the chives. And then I will show you the final presentation of the red skin mashed potatoes. Yum! Okay, Raw family, here is the finished presentation of the red skin mashed potatoes. At the end, I melted a little more butter. Now you got to remember, this is either for Thanksgiving or Christmas, so you're going to go over your calories, all right? So I added a little more butter. I sprinkled some chives on top, and I want you to see the beautiful red skin that comes from the potatoes. You see that? That is so gorgeous. And you want it a little thick because, you know, when you get that gravy and mash that hole in the center of those potatoes, and then that roll and that ham with it. Oh yeah. Check that out, you guys. I love how the red peeks through the potatoes. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Mrs. O will be back tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to do something that I have a craving for. So stay tuned. Make sure your bell notification is on. And I will see you guys tomorrow. God bless you.